This is our 8-foot by 55-ton Wysong press brake with a Delem upgraded 1-axis CNC back gauge. The machine is overall 8 foot. It's 6'6" between the housings, 55 tons. It has a bending capacity of 10 gauge at 6 foot, 12 gauge at the full 8 foot. I'm going to take just a quick view around. Control, rails, really pretty. This machine has power elevation, counter so you know where you're at. Electric, very nice 1-axis programmable back gauge, but other axes for setting height. Bringing you around. It's the old Herco box, but the new control is in there. I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer so you can see the back gauge move and then the stroke of the machine. Horsepower elevation. Hard to see, but very quiet. I'm not that coordinated with the foot pedal, but as you can see, after a cycle it moves to the next position. This control is supported by a company in Indiana, that's the rep for Delem, and there's a local service company that we can provide for you that did the retrofit on the machine. Thank you for watching.